What's good, YouTube? It is your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video. Ooh, let me get that right line. Back here with another video, and today is gonna be a fun day. Feels so good out here, man. It's not too hot, not too cold, but today is take it to the track. If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment. Let's go. Damn, my boy, that bitch kicking your ass, boy.
Man.
That bitch is kicking your ass. Come on, man.
What up, babe?
Y'all you taking a picture of the wrong car.
We working. We ain't taking pictures. We working. You want to get on camera? Huh? Yeah, Kyron gone though.
Any day, Jamar.
Man, we here now. We here. Damn, you seen that slip? I was gonna have him. Shit. Yeah, we easy don't want to tell apart.
I'm on double. Been here double the time, bro.
Shit. I don't know what kind of fingernail he think I got. He's a regular one.
I know you ain't Ricky Red, did you? Tomorrow?
Yeah. I figured I won't have no shit. He running over there, huh?
Hey, I go over that shit, man.
Yeah, I don't know this shit. I did it 2 times.
Alright, damn, my boy.
Okay, this one right here on there.
2 very boring minutes later.
Woo! Let's go double.
Got it all now.
Let's go double. Boy, spinning, ain't he? Boy, let me zoom in on that right quick, man.
Stop playing, man.
Well, look like he wolfing though, man.
Tell you people, man, y'all go follow my IG, SRT_G. Follow my YouTube, SRT. Yeah, there you go now. Just give it to him like that, man.
There we go, man. I heard him, bro.
Check the YouTube video. We got that coming. Plenty motion, man. Y'all fuck with the kid, man. Y'all see what's going. Guys, he done went crazy.
Man, new logo put on, man. I see it, bro. New logo on the cat, bro. I'm trying to, I'm trying to tighten up, ain't he?
I'm trying to tell y'all what's going on.
He supposed to got loose in that bit, man.
Man, we going to the track. Up there in Brownston. Track. Hold on, run me back. What the shit is we going to?
Take it to the track, bro. Take it to the track.
Take it to the track. All right, run it back. Man, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy SRT_G. Tuned in today, man. We're going to take it to the track up there in Brownston. Nice little event. Got a couple guys pulling up. We're going to ride deep. Give y'all good content, man. Stay tuned to your boy, man. We're going up.
Woo! Okay, man. That was straight, man.
We got right there.
Oh, them motherfucker tough. I ain't even gonna count. What? God damn. Boy, got them big meat Larry Hoovers on that bit. Big meat Larry Hoovers, boy.
White folks have
Booty meat. Got them booty meats, man. Oh yeah, for sure.
Like I ain't, you know what I'm saying? Like I ain't just having this shit, man. You know what I'm saying?
Up here, man, after a long 2-hour drive, and boy, it's been nothing but bullshit, man. So we finally get here and we park at the BBS building across the street, and we're finna walk to go into the gate, and the officer comes up and tells everybody that parked over there. And what made it so bad, they sat there and watched us go in, and everybody, it was like more than 40, 50 cars parked. And then finally, as we're about to walk into the gate, he was like, yeah, nobody can park in here, and it's that and third. So he had us leave, and literally the way the whole track is set up, there's nowhere else to go. There's nowhere else to park but parking in somebody else's business. So we ended up going up the street and parking inside like a shop. We parked there, and we get halfway towards to the gate, and then the officer comes at us again and said, hey, we can't park there either. When I tell you, man, I've gotten to work out, and I haven't seen not one car slide. I haven't seen no donut. I haven't seen no burnout. I haven't seen anything. All I did was walk my Crocs to death. That's been it. But finally, they're letting people in the track, so we're about to get to the action. Damn, finally after a longer wait, man, I'm finally in it, bro. Finally gonna walk up to some kind of goddamn action. Took us 3 hours to get into this bit, bro. But shit, like I said, we finna get to the action. Finally inside the gate, man. I know they did not the fuck do this shit, bro. Motherfucker got an off-white camera. I'll check this shit out, man. Bro, are you serious? Bro, are you serious? I'm really serious, bro. They really did this, bro. Come on, man. I know they didn't really do this. Really, bro? They gotta be kidding me. Wow. Wow. I done seen it all, boy. Had an off-white camera. Yeah, that's some bullshit. I don't want to disturb my boy right here making his little video. But, know this motherfucker moving, boy. Always moving, boy. Oh, track halt. Oh, I've never. This has to be rap. Has to be rap. I've never seen a red eye. Ah, I can tell it's rap. Look at this shit, boy. So one of the little damn things that came off. Other than that, it still looks good though. It look like some Fast and Furious shit down here, boy. Boy, some real Fast and Furious shit, man. Scat hat. She thick as fuck.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Man. Hypocart.
Bruh.
I done. Boy. They really put time in it, man. They definitely for sure put some time in this mug. Real rat ride. get active.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy channel. Appreciate it, bro.
Oh, for sure.
Definitely, bro.
For sure. Boy, go be sick. Go be sick. Boy, it's be sick. Oh. All right, my boy, you really were pushing it, boy. Really.
Pop your shit, my boy. Both of y'all pop y'all shit, man. Yeah. Come on, we're going crazy. Hey. What up, boy? You don't get your head right, man? God damn.
That motherfucker can't stop.
Boy, you don't turn your traction off and go to work, boy. My boy is not getting right, boy. My boy said fuck it. Going to work. Yeah. See you, my boy. Okay. Alright, now don't run out of time, man. Man, up, you going crazy? I don't know, bro. It's on. Oh, that boy aired down, boy. Oh, that hard. Popping clutches. Popping clutches. Get out the pit, my boy. Get out the pit, my boy. Oh, y'all. Shit. Oh.
Hellcat. He ain't got the head on, bro. He going for his nose in Hellcat today, bro. You already wrecked that bit one time. Been wrecked like a motherfucker. Probably stolen. Boy, if you don't get your goddamn, boy, back to the real shit.
That's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it, man. Once you start seeing people slide over and over and over again, it gets kind of old, man. So didn't want to keep posting the same thing. I'll make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.
G1, GB, I know that you see me. Like and subscribe, you can see I'm doing big things. Custom clothing, custom shoes, yeah, I'm all that. I ain't trying to